Titan Heating and Air.
Alright guys, I'm doing a gas valve change out here on the Trane unit. Here's the model number there. So how do you know if your gas valve is bad? So you're gonna get your meter, put it on volts, and then on this gas meter we're actually gonna go on the brown wire and the red wire. And then when this thing calls for, when the sequence of operation goes on, the gas valve is one of the last things that comes on, so it's going to reset itself here. Right, so we have the sequence of operation. Inducer motor goes on, our pressure switch goes on, hot surface igniter engages, and then I have right here checking my meter 24 volts. So we're going to see that it'll engage, but nothing happens. So that's how you determine if you have a bad gas valve. On the wires, brown and red. We're gonna go ahead and swap this out and then we'll retest it. All right guys, so first thing we wanna do is turn off the gas and we wanna remove the gas flex. All right guys, after you go ahead and remove the gas flex, you wanna take off these screws right here for the assembly. Cut off any zip ties and get all the wiring, anything that's in the way. Just go ahead and get it out of the way. All right guys, next we're going to disconnect one of our rollout switches here, just to kind of get this out of the way. We're going to remove the gas valve. All right, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the burner assembly, and then this pipe here. I'm going to put pipe dope and then rethread them on. All right guys, so if you look right here, the INP is inlet pressure. So this is your gas coming in, and then you look at the gas flow here, and then right here is your output. So this would be the burners, going to the burners here. So make sure you plumb that correctly, or else you're not going to have a working heater. All right guys, get yourself your pipe dope. Go ahead and apply it on your black iron pipe. Don't be scared, get in there real good to prevent any gas from leaking out. Some people like to use Teflon, pipe dope, or sometimes you can use both, but either one works. Go ahead and apply your pipe dope to your burners. All right, and we're going to go ahead and put this one on the outlet pressure. We'll tighten it up and put it in position. All right, now that we got that one on, we're going to go ahead and put our gas inlet pressure in. And we'll tighten that down, then we'll get it into position. We got the orifices mounted on our gas inlet. We're going to go ahead and reassemble everything. We want to make sure we get the burners right in the orifices. Just got to line them all up. We got all the orifices on the burner assembly. Everything's lined up. We're going to go ahead and secure this. Those 4 bolts. I'm going to go ahead and put back our rollout wires. Okay, and then we'll re-zip tie these and then go ahead and hook up our gas. All right guys, we'll go ahead and re-zip tie our wires to our manifold here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clip these. always like to push these down. That way people don't get scratched by this. Keep them out of the way. All right. And then next we'll go ahead and check, we're gonna turn the gas on and go ahead and check for any gas leaks. Check there, check there. Check all our fittings just to make sure that everything we did was good. And if everything's good, we'll go ahead and wipe down any access. All right, everything looks good. No leaks. All right, now we'll go ahead and reassemble everything and then turn the gas on. All right, now that everything's plugged in, gas is on, we're gonna go ahead and cycle it. Inducer motor just kicked on. Okay, hot surface igniter's going, and flame should kick on any second now. Go ahead and adjust the gas valve, make sure everything's good to go, and that's how you change out a gas valve on a Trane. Guys, and that's a wrap. Don't mind the bottom of that, it's like a custom panel. I've never seen that before, but I just retaped it up, put it all back together, and she's good to go.
Titan Heating and Air.